Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the magical world of the Magic Water Elf Toy Kit, a captivating aqua fairy water gel kit designed to spark creativity and fun for kids of all ages. This incredible kit comes packed with 20 vibrant magic gels, including 10 sparkling colors, and 10 dinosaur molds, all crafted for efficient molding and easy demolding, ensuring your creations remain intact and durable. With 4 packs of magic powder and a handy net, this kit guarantees hours of engaging play, promoting brain development and enhancing color recognition skills. Not only does it provide a dazzling sensory exploration with its 20 captivating shades, but it also empowers children to create their own dinosaurs, boosting self-confidence and nurturing a love of learning. Made from non-toxic, eco-friendly materials, these tactile wonders offer a safe and fantastic addition to any DIY toy collection, keeping little hands busy and minds engaged. So, elevate playtime with this visually stimulating and educational experience that offers a great alternative to electronic devices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.